Before jumping in there, Mark, do you have a housing provider tip of the week to share?
Yeah, the tip today. Last week I heard about it wasn't in our office, it was another real estate office. Somebody actually we hear about all those wiring scams when you're sending money to closing, and somebody hacks your email and gives you a different number to wire to, or says, "Hey, this number changed." Just want to put it out there, if anything, of a public service announcement. If you are wiring money to a closing, please make sure that you get the instructions from somebody that and then call the title company that you're going to wiring it to, and verify that that's the correct number. And if anybody says that it changed, like that's the biggest red flag
It
you're
did
going to
not
have.
change.
Yeah, it did not change. It never changes. Be careful. And I don't care if you show up to the closing without having the money, you're better off than making a knee-jerk reaction and change the direction of a wire. So just I've known a couple people over the years personally that have done it. I've had a couple of scares, like I thought I did it, and that panic, that feeling is horrible. I've had people try to hack my email to do it. But I saw somebody I knew of, somebody got, I think it was, they lost, I think it was like $57,000 last week, and they're not going to get that back probably.
No, there's usually no recourse there. So please be careful with it. And I believe with most of the title companies as well, if it's under 50 G's, you can actually do the cashier's check.
Yes. Yeah.
Right. So that's if another route you want to take. Now, again, you're going to be carrying that around, but that almost might be a safer bet. If you're just doing like a 5% down or 3% down, it's 25 grand. You might not even have to wire.